With manufacturing processes constantly evolving, there's an increasing need to monitor liquid flow in all industries. From die casting machines to chillers, CNC machines to molding machines, there are many opportunities to monitor flow. Flow meters provide a visualization of the fluid in the machine or process to help reduce machine downtime, machine maintenance, minimize wasted resources, and overall improve quality control. There are many different types of liquid flow meters available, but Keyence primarily offers clamp-on flow meters. Clamp-on flow meters are non-invasive and do not require any pipe modifications compared to traditional inline flow meters. As a result, operation can continue during installation, leading to no downtime. They are also quick and easy to install, taking just a few minutes. And lastly, they are compatible with most pipes and liquids. Since our flow meters are clamp-on and non-invasive, let's talk about how they work. Keyence clamp-on flow meters utilize an ultrasonic detection principle. Within our flow meters, there are ultrasonic elements which send and receive ultrasonic signals. Ultrasonic waves are emitted into the pipe and liquid from one ultrasonic element and are received by the other ultrasonic element. The flow meter internally calculates the time it takes from sending the signal to receiving the signal, also known as time of flight. To improve accuracy and reduce the impact from variables like temperature, ultrasonic signals are sent in both the upstream and downstream direction. The ultrasonic waves in the fluid are transmitted slower when going against the flow and faster when going with the flow, causing an increased difference in time as flow rate increases. We call this detection principle delta time of flight, with the delta signifying the Greek letter delta, which means change or difference. The difference in the propagation times is then converted to the velocity of flow and then extrapolated to volumetric flow based on the size of the pipe, leading to the flow rate. Choosing the right product can be overwhelming with so many options available, so let's break down how to differentiate between the Keyence flow meter options. Keyence offers both liquid and gas flow meters, but for the purpose of this video, we will focus on the liquid flow meters. The main way to select which Keyence clamp-on liquid flow meter to use is going to be by the size of the pipe. Please note that I will be referencing pipe sizes by outer diameter as opposed to nominal pipe sizes. Starting on the smaller end of the spectrum with our FDX series micro flow meter, the FDX series can fit pipes or tubes as small as 3 millimeters, or about 1/8 of an inch, up to about 1/2 an inch outer diameter. The FDX series is a great fit for understanding general flow, low flow rates, totalized flow, and small dosing applications. Our next size up is our FDH series. This is our latest flow meter and will cover similar sized pipes as our older FDQ series. The FDH series can fit on 1/2 inch up to 1 3/4 inch outer diameter pipes and hoses. The FDH series has iterated upon our FDQ series and provides improved detection capabilities, being able to detect flow even if there are bubbles. The FDH series can monitor instantaneous flow rate, total accumulated flow, and a new feature of being able to monitor temperature. The last flow meter that I'm going to highlight is our FDR series. This fits larger pipes from 1 3/4 inches all the way up to 8.5 inches outer diameter. Like the FDH series, the FDR series can monitor instantaneous flow, total accumulated flow, and temperature, making this series a great fit for machines with larger pipes up to facility level lines. Now that we understand how our clamp-on flow meters work, which models are applicable where, and how they're generally used, we should have all the information needed to properly pick a flow meter series for your application.